No, it's recording. Okay. Hi, everybody. Sorry if I look like an idiot with my headphones. Don't really need them. So, I'm just sitting in my room, minding my own business. Well, writing my speech. In Japan, be prepared to be saying a speech in front of your school. I don't know what to write about myself. I had to talk for 3 minutes about myself. I'm like, there's nothing really interesting about me for 3 minutes. I can sum up my life in less than 30 seconds. I really don't like this. It's gonna be I'm just writing it in English, and then my host families can help me translate it. I don't know what to talk about. Anyways, sitting here, minding my own business, and then all of a sudden, I heard it was crash. Yeah, it's thundering and lightning outside right now. Not right now, but it was. And it was really loud. And it was actually really terrifying. And I thought I was gonna die. I don't like thunder, and I don't like lightning. Actually, I don't like rain in general. Don't want to see how cloudy it is. I'm really just making this video because I am bored out of my mind. Okay. For a second. A little scary looking. See how scary looking it is outside.